In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste special to copy exact formatting in Google Sheets. This is a crucial technique when you want to replicate the appearance of a cell range without bringing over other elements like borders. Let's dive into the process and ensure you get it right, step by step. First things first, open up your Google Sheet. If you haven't got one open, create a new one or use an existing sheet where you want to apply these changes. Google Sheets can easily be accessed via your browser, so make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you have your sheet open, identify the cells that you want to copy. Highlight all the cells whose formatting you wish to replicate. This could include font styles, background colors, and more, but remember, you're only copying the formatting, not the data itself. Use your mouse to click and drag over the cells, or you can hold down the Shift key and click to select non-continuous cells. Now, with your desired cells highlighted, you'll need to right-click on your selection. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, you need to click on Copy. This action places your selected cell formatting onto your clipboard, ready for use. Now locate the sheet where you want to paste this formatting. Click on Sheet 2, or whatever sheet you're copying to. This ensures you have the right canvas to paste onto without affecting your original data. Navigate to cell A1 or whichever cell you want the formatting to begin at on your new sheet. Click on this cell to make it your active cell. It's crucial to select the starting point carefully to ensure all formatting lands where you expect it. With cell A1 selected, right-click again to bring up the context menu at your new location. This right-click will allow you to access the paste functions. In the pop-up menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Paste Special. Click on this option to reveal a sub-menu with more specific choices about how you want to paste your copied information. From this Paste Special sub-menu, choose All Except Borders. This choice tells Google Sheets to paste everything about the cell formatting except the borders. Borders can sometimes create unwanted lines or interfere with already formatted areas, so by excluding them, you can maintain a clean and uniform appearance in your new sheet. Lastly, you might find that some column widths do not exactly match what you had in the original sheet. Simply adjust the column widths as needed to suit your formatting style and ensure everything looks just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully used Paste Special in Google Sheets to copy exact formatting without borders. Armed with this knowledge, you can now streamline your workflow by quickly applying desired formats across various sheets. Thanks for watching.